Hi guys, this is Vinayak Koja from Vinlinux Tutors. In this video, we are going to discuss about application load balancer in AWS. On my screen, you see this. It's a load balancer listener rule. Okay, but before we move forward with the AWS, let's have some basic functionality understanding over this. So I have my AWS load balancer over here, and what it does is I have this load balancer. Okay, it's the 7th layer. When a load balancer receives a request, let's say that we are receiving a request from this particular person. We receive a request. Now this load balancer will send this request to this particular listener, and this listener will decide like on which rule or the target group it needs to be diverted. Why? Because we have the priority rules also within the load balancer that decides like on which target they needs to divert the traffic. Okay, so load balancer is nothing but it distributes the traffic on the different slots on the different instances. So it helps you to distribute your traffic and keep the server resources at the very low pace, so you don't have to worry about these things. Okay, now once these targets are ready to serve the traffic, which means that they have passed their health checks, then we'll move forward and the instance will send the request to this target group, right? So if this is clear, then we can move forward with the next one. That is how these things work. So let me show you. This is my completely load balancer. The type is application load balancer, which is internet facing. The status is active now. And I have some listeners and the rules over here. I have one listener, that is HTTP port number 80. Here it goes, and I have the host header here, HTTP host header, that is wintest.bitcodeapps.com. I have this subdomain with me. Now this as the priority one, and this is transferring the traffic to forward to the target group. Which target group? This ECS cluster. Do not worry, it's just the name that I am using for my testing purpose. Then when I go and check on the target group, I have what kind of target group it is. It is the target group type is instance type, and we have the IPv4 address for this. Now we have the registered target, so where the target group should point the request at this particular instance, which you can see on my screen. This particular instance will be serving our request to our application traffic. Okay, so whenever we are receiving multiple requests, this particular instance will be there to serve the or revert the information which has been requested from the client side. Okay, now we can have the multiple targets in a single target group, and it completely depends like how your auto scaling groups are working on. So what are auto scaling groups, how to create target, how to create an application load balancer, we are going to discuss all these points in our next video. So stay connected, and if you have any questions, please feel free to comment in the comment section. Now moving forward, once this instance is healthy, the health status is healthy, then only this instance will be ready to serve the traffic. How I would know that this is healthy or not? How I will know that my target group is healthy or not? One is health status. Second, every website has some health checkpoints. In my case, it's just the slash. Okay, so if I get anything on this path, then my target group is healthy. If you want to make it the /public/readme.html, it's up to you how you want to modify it. And timeout within 5 seconds, if it doesn't find something like whatever it is finding from the health check part, it will show you as the unhealthy traffic. For sure, with following our videos, you are not going to see that thing in our videos, but I will try to get that thing. And it holds the 5 consecutive health check successes. Okay, like even if after the 5 seconds, within the 5 seconds, if we have the 5 consecutive health check success, then only the target group will be healthy for us. Okay, and the protocol will be HTTP for now. Now further to discuss this point, we will be getting all these practical details in our next video. That will be the part 2 of this video. So stay connected. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.